Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start fast charging now. First, make this quick. Plug a 30W USB-C PD charger into a wall outlet, then connect a USB-C to USB-C cable to your Pixel 7a. Once connected, enable airplane mode to reduce background radio use and turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to stop syncing. Make sure screen brightness is low and close unnecessary apps. This reduces power draw. You're already charging faster by cutting drain. Next, we'll optimize charging. Now focus on how the phone charges. Place your Pixel 7a on a hard, cool surface. Heat slows charging, so avoid pillows or direct sunlight. Make sure adaptive battery and background app restrictions are active. Go to settings and limit background activity for heavy apps. Confirm the charger is PD compliant and cable is undamaged. This ensures steady current. If you need rapid top-up, keep the phone off or in Do Not Disturb while charging. That prevents wake locks and speeds the process. When you reach about 80 to 90%, unplug for daily fast charge health. That balances speed and longevity. If charging seems stuck, check the cable and charger with another device, swap to a known good PD adapter, and reboot your Pixel to clear software issues. If the phone becomes hot, stop charging, remove the case, and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before trying again, because thermal throttling reduces charging speed. Follow these steps and you'll have faster, safer charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.